Traders Anthony here, just taking a look at gold. Got it open on a weekly time frame. So we can see how this has been trending down. It's broken through this monthly level here, and I mean we could double up here weekly, monthly resistance. We're retesting this this key level here. So a weekly, monthly combo. I'm just taking the close and open of these candles, the candle body here, pulling it across, and you can see how it's traded down to it here. It's traded down to it here, here. And now we've broken this level, now retesting. This level is a resistance. Down to the daily, trending down on the daily, we do have a bit of bullish momentum. So we can see here that this trend here has been compromised. So we're potentially trading up at this point. We've got this distribution level here on the daily. We're trading right into it, so it's accompanied by this monthly and weekly as well as a daily. So I mean it's trading back up, retesting. This is a big level here, so I'm thinking that we could see a little bit more downside. And you know, do we break this level here and see a trend reversal? That remains to be seen. But what I'll do, I'll mark this up on the daily, and I'm going to go down the time frames and show you an entry strategy on the 5-minute chart. So we've got the 1D here. Distribution level 1 day, trading back up, big resistance. So I'm thinking we could see a bit more downside here. Let's have a look at it on the 4H. This nested level. So we've got this balance area on the 4H, comes into play with the daily. So we've got this combo 4H. Okay, monthly, weekly, all right, daily, 4 hours. So we've got this distribution level through here, this range here that we're trading back up. So we can see here we've worked through it and now retesting the level. So my question is, you know, do we see some downside here? I do like this bullish trend on the 4H. However, I'd be more inclined to wait for a pullback and then see if we do get another opportunity. So we've got this level back here of interest, and I'll just pull that through, mark that up as a 4H, and then we'll go down the lower time frames and have a look and see what we got. So we've got that one support level plus these lows here at the high of this, right? So that would be a target. Possibly this gives us, if it does, trades back down, I would possibly be looking for a buy opportunity back in around here. I think that would be my play. So let's just go down to, in fact, I'll tell you what I want to do. Go to a 5-minute chart now. So let's just take out the sessions. This is what I'm looking for. See how we've got this green bar, and yeah, we've got about a 50% on these two here, green. There's 2 green and 2 red. This is our higher time frame, multi-time frame indicator. This is the daily and the 4 hour, telling me that we've got a strong bullish momentum here occurring on this on these 2 time frames. This line here is a daily. So I think I'd be interested in possibly getting along with this if it trades back down into this level here. And the signal that I'll be waiting for will be this green dot. So when we see the green here showing strength, predominantly green, we go for this green dot, and that's our entry with the trend. Go back and I'll show you these. We traded every one of these green dots. What these tell us is market's overextended. It's generally a stop run if we have these 2 indicators showing green. So that's quite a nice signal here. This one's a good one. I'll look for the pullback down into the level entry. Going back, so we've got some red signals here, but we've got a mix of this green and this predominantly red. So that's generally a no-go zone, getting a mixed signal. I mean, even though they would have been nice trades, especially that one. Look at that. Stick with the rules. And look, that was a nice outcome. However, again, I've marked this up. We've got a green, but these guys red. All right, so there's momentum bullish. The higher time frames are bearish, and generally I would leave it alone, even though that's quite a good signal. So here again, this is a mixed signal. We've got green and red, so we leave it alone. Let's have a look and see. Here we are. Look, red and red, so that's a stronger signal, and I mean that's your trade there. You've got these 2 bars down here showing red. All right, there's another red signal here. So basically what this tells us is that, I mean, this is a stop run, obviously. And these signals are incredibly powerful when you come out of a range. It's been trending sideways, and then you see it spike up like this, and you get that. And these guys down here happen to back it up. Then we go for it. there's more to this than meets the eye. We've also got this dotted line here, for example, and you can see this yellow one down here. If we see it trade through these levels here, that's generally pretty high probability. These are higher time frame. That's a weekly institutional level. This yellow is a daily institutional level. All right, guys, I mean, that's my take on gold. I'm looking for a pullback and a potential entry, a buy opportunity. But yeah, we want to see it retrace down into, let's just grab it on the 30-minute. All right, so there's a 30. Like, I mean, have a look here. See this balance area down here, 30-minute, something like that would get me interested, but I'd want to see my green dot on the 5-minute chart. Okay, guys, click the links below, jump on board. We've got a Telegram group you can join. There's daily signals that I send out to to an email list. That happens each day, a trade signal. Yeah, and access to the indicators, links below. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.